Motherboard swapping. It's a big old pain in the patoot. Or is it? I bought this new table from Walmart. I had no idea. This is why you should read stuff. I had no idea it was that small. What's up, everybody? It's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And today I am going to be doing a motherboard swap. I'm going to be taking this new Aorus X570S Elite AX motherboard and swapping it in this system here that you can't see because the table I bought is too small. So swapping components in your PC is pretty much easy for the most part. If you want to change graphics cards, that's a simple process, takes a couple of minutes. Same thing with RAM or SSDs, hard drives, fans, coolers. But when it becomes a major pain in the patoot is when you want to swap out motherboards. Now, it's not as bad as you think it is, and I'm kind of gonna show you a step-by-step process of me swapping it out. It's pretty simple, and then we'll wrap it up and I'll give you my thoughts on how hard it is and how easy it is. It's kind of funny. This is my friend George's PC, and the timing is kind of weird because I just swapped motherboards in my test bench like 2 days ago, and it took me roughly 30 minutes. So hopefully in 2022, I can walk all the yous through the process of swapping out a motherboard. So I'm gonna do it B-roll style. So I won't be talking, there'll be text on the screen, walking you through it, and we'll wrap the video up and I'll give you my thoughts. So let's get to swapping on this little table. That was easy. Not really. Now, if you take into consideration filming the whole process, and then I ran into a slight issue with getting his AIO back on, the whole process only took like 45 minutes, at best hour most. I mean, swapping out a motherboard is not fun. It's a lot involved in it, but it's not as terrifying as you might think. It's really, really not. It's just annoying. To give you an idea, Baby Blue 2.0, my main rig right now, has an Asus ROG Crosshair 6 Hero X370 motherboard in it. I own an ASRock B550 motherboard. Why it's not in my rig? Because I don't like swapping motherboards. But it's not very time consuming. It's just a pain in the butt to do. So don't be afraid to do it if you want to upgrade your motherboard, or if your motherboard just like kick the bucket and you need to upgrade. It's really not as daunting as you think it is. It just takes a little bit of patience and a little bit of know-how, and hopefully this video will help you through the process, and you should be in and out, like I said, 45 minutes to an hour, if that. When I did the swap on my test bed, because there really wasn't that much in there, the process probably took me like 30-40 minutes. So don't be afraid to swap motherboards. It's not that hard. I repeat, it's just a pain in the butt. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and click the bell for notifications. It really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. So, and it only takes a moment of your time, so really doesn't take that long. See, watch. Go ahead. See how quick that was? Anyway, thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. Getting that AIO back on though, that was a Peter.